This video walks you through how to enter Form 1099 INT in TurboTax. If you received interest income from a bank or financial institution, this process adds that information to your federal return in the correct section. Begin by opening TurboTax and going to Federal, then Income. From there, find the Investments and Savings area. Next to Interest on 1099 INT, select Start if you are entering it for the first time, or Revisit if you have already been in that section and need to return to it. TurboTax will then ask how you want to add your tax document. You will see the available options, including Upload, Snap a photo, Import, and Type it in myself. Choose the method you want to use, then click Continue. The screens may look slightly different depending on your version of TurboTax, but the goal is the same, which is to move forward with adding the information from your Form 1099 INT. On the screen that says OK, let us start with one investment type. Select Interest, which is the 1099 INT option. After that, click Continue. This tells TurboTax that you are entering interest income rather than another kind of investment income. You will then arrive at the screen where TurboTax collects the details from your 1099 INT. Enter the payer's name as it appears on the form. Then enter the amount from Box 1 for interest income. If Box 3 on your form has an amount for interest on U.S. savings bonds and Treasury obligations, enter that as well. It is worth checking each entry against the paper or digital form as you go so the amounts match exactly. If your Form 1099 INT includes information in other boxes, look for the option that says My form has info in other boxes. This is uncommon. Check that option only if it applies to your form. Once it is selected, enter any remaining amounts shown on the form into the matching fields in TurboTax. If your form only includes the boxes already mentioned, you can leave that option alone and continue. Before moving on, review the information you entered. Confirm that the payer information is correct and that all amounts match your Form 1099 INT. This is the point where you want to catch any typing errors or misplaced amounts before they carry into the rest of the return. When everything looks right, click Continue. From there, continue through the remaining interview screens in your return. TurboTax will automatically include the interest income from your 1099 INT on your tax return based on the information you entered. Your Form 1099 INT information is now entered in TurboTax and included in your return.